Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Williamsfield and we are going to show you some serious flooding that's taking place out here. Now this is the main road that you would drive on from Williamsfield to Spalding. And as you can see, the road is completely covered by water. Now, what's surprising is that the water is rising. Now, yeah, I'm not sure if it has to do with the hurricane, the water, but we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. Water levels in sections of Content, Williamsfield, Manchester continue to rise following heavy rainfall before and during the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Deputy Managing Director at the Water Resources Authority said the latest gauge readings indicate the highest water level recorded since monitoring began on Monday. We are observing the gauges that we installed. The water level has risen. Right now it's the highest we have seen since we started monitoring. The gauge we installed on Monday, the reading we have gotten from it indicates a measure of about 13.13 feet, which reflects a total rise of 78 feet since installation. The rise in water levels occurred after prolonged heavy rainfall associated with Hurricane Melissa, which saturated the soil and caused water from the aquifer to surface, forcing residents to relocate from the area. Mr. Marshall advised that there is little that can be done to reduce the current water levels, as the process is naturally occurring and depends on the aquifer draining over time. We can't pump it out or anything. Some persons have tried digging a drain to level it off, and it filled up almost immediately. The water is just finding its level. We'll have to wait until the water level begins to recede. We think it will take a couple weeks, maybe months, before it moves down. As a result, the affected roadway remains impassable and will stay closed until conditions improve. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. And this is the same water running off. That's the Widalco plant straight ahead. So it seems as if this road is going to be blocked for months because of the water. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on what's happening here. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the sections below. Alright guys, have a good day.